Hi guys, I'm Harold Jake F. Reyes from 10 Copernicus. So today, I'm going to show you how to solve a geometric sequence problem step by step. Let's get started. The problem is, a sequence starts at 1 and multiplies by 8 each time. What is the 8th term? Step 1 is to identify the formula for a geometric sequence. This is the formula for geometric sequence. A sub n is equal to a times r raised to n minus 1, where a is equal to first term, r is equal to common ratio, n is equal to term number, a sub n is equal to value of the nth term. This is the formula we'll use to solve geometric sequence problems. Step 2 is to identify the values from the problem. First term is a is equal to 1, common ratio is equal to 2, then we want the 8th term, so n is equal to 8. The sequence starts at 1 and multiplies by 2 each time, so a is equal to 1 and r is equal to 2. We're solving for the 8th term, so n is equal to 8. Step 3. Plug into the formula. We plug the values into the formula. 8 minus 1 is 7, so it becomes 2 to the power of 7. Step number 4. We're gonna solve it. 2 to the power of 7 is 128. Multiply that by 1, and the 8th term is 128. So the final answer is 128. The 8th term is 128. And that's how you solve it using the geometric sequence formula. Thanks for watching.